Is Vijay Kumar. Hey there at Sarthak Masti Ki Pathshala. We are in 9D. We have studied the fun they had. But really believe me, we are having fun here and we are not missing it because this is not virtual here. This is real teaching here. The topic Isaac Asimov wrote way back, and he could foresee the time as we that unprecedented time we observed, we faced during 2020 कोविड पैंडमिक. ठीक है, तो बहस का विषय है आज, डिबेट हमने रखी है इस टॉपिक पे. लेसन तो हमारा हो ही गया है. तो ये बच्चे आज आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन, तो दीज स्टूडेंट्स आर रेडी with this debate that internet cannot replace classroom teaching. I don't know what is their response going to be, but I can assure, I know that we all are enjoying here and we cannot afford to miss classroom teaching. This is my personal view. We have to see what these students are having with them in their say. Let's enjoy debate. This is activity based English teaching channel. This is Vijay Kumar for school's YouTube official channel Sarthak Soch. Over to these students now. And first of all, we would like to enjoy views of Divya, 9D student Sarthak.
Good morning each and all of my friends. Today I am Divya standing in front of all of you. I am in the favor of the debate topic, the internet cannot replace a classroom teacher. I will highlight my favor because it is true. The teacher are who teach us not only the books but also the moral values. Our teachers have emotions unlike the internet. If there would be emotions in the internet, it can lead to perish of the earth. The teachers can solve your mistakes and explain you again and again until you don't understand the concept, but the internet can only show you the solution, not the explanation. I know that you all would be thinking sometimes teachers are strict, sometimes teachers they beat us, but my friend, they want us to go on a right path and make our future bright. The internet may tell you the myth, but the teacher always tell you the facts. Last but not least, the teacher always recognize you with some good or bad habits. If you are a rule breaker student, the teacher always recognize you on a defaulter student. If you are a outstanding brilliant student, the teacher always recognize you on a good student. Thank you. If you like my performance, you can applause for me.
And all my lovely friends, my name is Aarti from class 9D. Today I am agree this topic, internet cannot replace the human teacher. Human teacher is not our friend, human teacher is our family member and friend. Human teacher can inspire the children. Human teacher can tell about just reading your face, you understood the topic or not. Human teacher is emotionally connected to the student, but it is not case with the mechanical teacher. Human teacher understand us and they show us the correct path. Human teacher is very good teach us like activity based etc. Human teacher is very good for us and our family. If we have any problem, we tell us our teachers and parents. We also tell our human teachers. So I am against the resolution, internet cannot replace the human teacher.
So hello and good morning to all my dear friends and our respected sir, Mr. Vijay Kumar. I thanks to the sir to give me an opportunity to speak on the debate. The topic is internet cannot replace human teachers. I am in the favor of human teachers. A teacher is very helpful to us. They can also help us in our study and give advice for the future. And they always give us right advice which can help us in our future. Teachers are the role model of our societies. They can inspire us for doing some big. A teacher is able to understand the mindset and problems of student, but the computer is not able to understand the problems and mindset of students. They also fund the talent of our student and help to complete various tasks. Thank you.
आपकी बारी है.
So hello everyone, good morning everyone, respected sir and my dear all friends. I'm here to tell my view on debate, internet cannot replace classroom teacher. I agree with this revolution, internet cannot replace classroom teacher. We know that teachers are very important in our life. A teacher teach us moral values, but robot cannot teach us moral values. A teacher can inspire and motivate a student to become a perfect person in their life, but robot cannot do this. A teacher in a classroom are our parents in our mind, in our heart, but robot are not our family but a robot teacher. We know teachers are very precious in our life, but robots are also good. Robots also give us knowledge in a second, but teacher also give us their experience and we learn from them. Thank you everyone. My name is Isha.
Hello everyone present here. I welcome you all and dear respected sir and all my dear friends. Today I am here for the debate internet cannot replace classroom teacher. So I want to first tell that I am not in the support of this point or not in the against of this point. I have my other evolution that internet is a good but with a human teacher. Means human teacher and plus internet is life become very beautiful. So I am starting my point. Last time I have told you about the benefits of mechanical teacher, or you can say in internet. Today I am with the human teacher. Benefits of human teacher, that a mechanical teacher gives us knowledge, gives us very much information, but he can't teach us moral values which are very essential, which makes us life to sharp our life. In the school, when we are with a classroom teacher, or you can say human teacher, he gives us their experiences, their knowledge and the past, which gives us a very information about our future, which sharps our information, and we can prejudice, means that we will be that we will get careful about our future hard works, and we can always get makes a perfect and best person in our life. Thank you. I am Divyam.
Good morning everyone. My name is Deepak Chauhan. I am from class 9D. I am representing here debate on the topic of internet cannot replace classroom teacher. Yes, internet cannot replace classroom teacher because teachers play important role in our life. We read in our school in a one building with fun together and share lunch with our benchmate and teachers. Sometimes we cannot complete your work, so teachers say that you complete your work on next day, but computer can say that you complete your daily homework and not start next chapter. We search something useful things, so phone is useful for us but in best things. Thank you.